Hello children, in this video I want to explain some important 20 questions in trigonometry. So these questions are very important for your examinations and 10th class trigonometry chapter, and in this exercise I will explain you 20 questions, and you copy all these questions in your notebooks and you practice these questions. My first question is, if sec phi a is equal to cosec a minus 30, where phi a is an acute angle, then find the value of a. Where phi a is an acute angle and find the value of a. So already I explained about this type of questions. It is a complementary angles question. So here given is sec phi a is equal to cosec a minus 30. Now it is in sec and it is in cosec. We can equate the phi a and a minus 30 when these two trigonometric ratios are equal. Then sec theta, we know that sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. Sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. By using this property we are applying here. So sec phi a I can write as cosec 90 minus, here theta is phi a, is equal to cosec a minus 30. Now both are in cosec only, then we can equate these two. So 90 minus phi a is equal to a minus 30. Now minus phi a, we'll bring a to this side, minus a is equal to minus 30. We'll bring this to this side, this is minus 30. So minus 90, minus 6a is equal to minus 120. Here minus minus cancel. A is equal to 120 by 6. 1s are, 2s are. Therefore a is equal to 20 degrees. So this is the solution for this answer, this question. So a is equal to, you got as 20 degrees. The next question, I am going for next question. This is also important question. This is, if the second question is, if a comma b comma c are the angles of triangle ABC, show that sin b plus c by 2 is equal to cos a by 2. So this is the question. So in this question one information is given, that is a comma b comma c are the interior angles of a triangle ABC. Then you want to show that sin b plus c is equal to cos a by 2. So if these three angles are the interior angles of given triangle, then we can say that a plus b plus c, the sum of three interior angles, is equal to 180 degrees. Here I want to prove that sin b plus c, just you send a to that side. So b plus c is equal to 180 minus a. Both sides you divide with 2, then you will get b plus c by 2 is equal to 180 minus a by 2. So here b plus c by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 is 90 minus a by 2. So here both sides you apply sin. So here sin b plus c by 2 is equal to, here also I am applying sin 90 minus a by 2. So here sin b plus c by 2 is equal to sin 90 minus theta, cos theta, that is equal to cos place of theta a by 2. This is proof. So sin b plus c by 2 is equal to cos a by 2. So in the same way, if they will ask you tan b plus c by 2 is equal to cot a by 2. Here if you will ask the tan, here you will get cot. If you will ask the sec, here you will get cosec. So like that we can prove that a plus b plus c by 2, a plus b plus c is equal to 180, because the sum of interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. If you send a to that side, that is 180 minus a. Both sides you divide with 2, then it is b plus c by 2 is equal to 180 minus a by 2. So b plus c by 2, 180 by 2 is 90 minus a by 2. So both sides I applied, because in question sin and cos is there. That's why I applied here sin. Sin b plus c by 2 is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Here in place of cos theta, a by 2 is there, cos a by 2. So sin b plus c by 2 is equal to cos a by 2. So this is the second question. So you copy all these two questions in your notebook. So I am going for the third question. My third question is, prove that sin theta minus cosec theta into cos theta minus sec theta is equal to 1 by tan theta plus cot theta. So this is my third question. So once again I will read this question. Sin theta minus cosec theta of cos theta minus sec theta is equal to 1 by tan theta plus cot theta. So this is the LHS, and I will take LHS. LHS is given as sin theta minus cosec theta of cos theta minus sec theta. We know that sin theta minus cosec theta is 1 by sin theta of cos theta minus sec theta is 1 by cos theta. We'll go for the LCM. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta minus 1 by sin theta. Here also LCM, cos square theta minus 1 by cos theta. So in this step you want to observe one thing, Nana. So just you make minus common here. So if I make minus common here, 1 minus sin square theta I will get here, into, if you make minus common here, minus 1 minus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta. This is multiplication. So minus into minus plus, 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta into 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta by sin theta cos theta. The sin and square and cos and square you will get, that is equal to, you will get as cos theta into sin theta. So this is the simplification of LHS. If I go for the RHS, RHS is given as 1 by tan theta plus cot theta. So if I go for this 1 by tan theta, I can write it as sin theta by cos theta plus cot theta, I can write it as cos theta by sin theta. This is equal to 1 by, if you go for the LCM, this is cos theta sin theta, the multiplication sin square theta plus cos square theta. So if you go up, it will be reciprocal, that is cos theta sin theta by sin square theta plus cos square theta. So cos theta sin theta by, this is 1, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, you will get as cos theta sin theta. So this is the value of RHS. Therefore we can write LHS is equal to RHS, hence proof. So here in annual examination, while doing this question, here you want to mention the first one. In first step I used that cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. That property you want to mention here, and sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. That property also you want to mention beside that step. And afterwards, while solving this question, you want to say that 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta and 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. These all properties or identities you want to mention the beside that steps. Here also tan theta I used as sin theta by cos theta and cot theta I used as cos theta by sin theta. You have to mention those identities beside that step. So then only you will get total marks. So this is the proof of the third question. So you copy this question also because it is very important for your exams. Okay. Next, I will go for the fourth question. Just I want to black. Okay. Fourth question is prove that what is the question? Cos theta by 1 minus tan theta plus sin theta by 1 minus cot theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta. This is my question. You want to prove cos theta by 1 minus tan theta plus sin theta by 1 minus cot theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta. So if you go for the LHS, what is LHS? Cos theta by 1 minus tan theta plus sin theta by 1 minus cot theta. So here cos theta 1 minus tan theta, I can write it as sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta by 1 minus cot theta, I can write as cos theta by sin theta. Next step, cos theta by, if you go for the LCM, cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. If you go for the LCM, sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta. So if you go up, the reciprocal cos theta cos square theta by, what you will get, Nana? Cos theta minus sin theta plus, if you go up, it will be sin square theta by sin theta minus cos theta. So here just one step I want to write here, cos square theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Here minus common, therefore here you see this step sin square theta by, this will be, if you make minus common, you will get cos theta minus sin theta, because minus cos theta, minus into minus plus sin theta. The next step, I will go for the next step, what you will get. So if you go for LCM, the both denominators are equal, cos theta minus sin theta. The top one you will get as cos square theta minus sin square theta. So next, this is in the form of cos a square minus b square, therefore cos theta plus sin theta of cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. So these two will be cancelled. What you will get, Nana? Cos theta plus sin theta. So this value is RHS. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. So here these are all the common steps, where tan theta I converted into sin theta by cos theta, where cot theta I converted into cos theta by sin theta, and afterwards it is gone with the LCM, and all these steps are very common. But this step is very important, making minus common. Then only you will get the denominators are equal. Then only you will go for the LCM, and this is the steps. This is in the form of a square minus b square, that is equal to, we can write it as a plus b of a minus b. So by using this property I wrote like this. Then if you make simplification, then you will get cos theta plus sin theta, that is equal to RHS. By this you can say that, hence the given question is proved. So this is my fourth question. So this is also very important. I will go with fifth question. So what is my fifth question? You see, Nana. The fifth question is prove that sin theta minus 2 sin square theta by 2 cos square theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta I want to prove. So this is my fifth question. Sin theta minus 2 sin square theta by 2 cos square theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta I want to prove. So just you take the LCM, LHS is given that sin theta minus 2 sin square theta by 2 cos square theta minus cos theta. This is the given LHS. So you make sin theta is common there. I'm sorry, the question is it is not square nana, it is cube. Sin 2 sin cube theta, this is 2 sin cube, 2 cos cube theta. If you make this is cube here it is cube. So if you make sin common, you will get 1 minus 2 sin square theta. If you make cos common here, this is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So next step, this is sin theta of 1 minus 2 into sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta by, as it is I will write the denominator cos theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Next step, sin theta of 1 minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 cos square theta by, just I multiplied with 2, that is cos theta of 2 cos square theta minus 1. So if you go for the next step, this is sin theta of 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So I can write 2 cos square theta minus 1 by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. These two will be cancelled. This is equal to sin theta by cos theta, that is equal to tan theta. This is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. So once again I will explain this question. The question is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. So from that, from the numerator I made a common sin theta, and from the denominator I made a common for cos theta. Then it will be 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. So just a numerator, in place of sin square theta I wrote as 1 minus cos square theta. Then if you make a simplification, then you will get here 2 cos square theta minus 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. These two will be cancelled. You will get sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta you will get as tan theta. So that is our RHS. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. So this is the proof of your fifth question. Just I will go for sixth question, Nana. What is my sixth question? Sixth question is, prove that tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 is equal to sec square theta cosec square theta. So this is the question. So prove that tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 is equal to sec square theta cosec square theta I want to prove. So this is very easy question, but it is somewhat different. So you see, Nana, LHS, I will go for LHS. That LHS is given that tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2. So here just I am doing one thing here, tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 into tan theta into cot theta I am writing, because tan theta and cot theta both are the reciprocals to each other. If you multiply tan theta and cot theta, you will get 1. Therefore 2 into 1, again 2 only. Now it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then this is equal to, we can write it as a plus b whole square. So in place of a, it is tan theta plus cot theta whole square it is. Now this tan theta plus tan cot theta whole square, we can write it as this is nothing but sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. This is for LCM, whole square is there, sorry. And if we go for the LCM, this is nothing but sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin theta cos theta whole square. So next step is, this is 1 because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 by sin theta cos theta whole square. So this I can write 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta whole square. We know that 1 by sin theta is sec theta into 1 by cos theta is cosec theta. 1 by sin is cosec theta and 1 by cos is sec theta whole square. That is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. This is RHS. So sec square theta into cosec square theta, that is our RHS. Just I will explain once again. The given question is, prove that tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. Just I taken the LHS, that is tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 into tan theta cot theta I wrote, because tan theta and cot theta are reciprocals. If you multiply these two, again you will get 1 only, 1 into 2, 2 only. So there is no change in the value, but it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then you can write it as tan square theta tan a plus b whole square, that is a tan theta plus cot theta whole square. Tan theta I can write it as sin by cos, and this I can write as cos by sin whole square. If you go for the LCM, you will get sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin theta cos theta and if you make that whole square is there, then this value is equals to 1. Therefore 1 by sin theta cos theta. Just I distributed 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta whole square. 1 by sin theta is cosec theta, 1 by cos theta is sec theta whole square. This I can write it as sec square theta into cosec square theta. So in another method also I can prove this question by other method also. Just I am taken here another paper. You see Nana, here up to here you understand, that is tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2. This I can write as tan square theta plus 1 plus cot square theta plus 1. We know that tan square theta plus 1 is sec square theta. Cot square theta plus 1 is cosec square theta. So if you go for, this is 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta. So if you go for the LCM, cos square theta sin square theta. So if it is go for sin square theta plus cos square theta, then it will be 1 by cos square theta and sin square theta. Therefore 1 by cos square theta is sec square theta into 1 by sin square theta is cosec square theta. So by this method also we can prove this question. So here 2 has distributed 1 plus 1. So sin square theta plus 1 and cot square theta plus 1. Sin square theta plus 1 is sec square theta. Cot square theta, cosec square theta. Sec square theta I can write it as 1 by cos square theta. This is 1 by sin square theta. Then if you go for the LCM, you will get this. And sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 by cos square theta into sin square theta. That is 1 by cos square is sec square. 1 by sin square is cosec square. Therefore it is sec square theta into cosec square theta. So you follow this method or this method. Both methods you can solve this question by using different methods. The answer is same. Okay, Nana. This is the 6th question. Next I will go for the 7th question. This is your NCERT textbook question only. 7th question. It is also very important. Prove that sin theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square is equal to, I want to prove 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. So for the proof, for the purpose of proof, just I will go with LHS. LHS is given that sin theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square. This is the LHS. You open with a plus b whole square. This is nothing but sin square theta plus cosec square theta plus 2 into sin theta and cosec theta. A square plus b square plus 2ab. The same way the second one also, if I open with a plus b whole square, cos square theta plus sec square theta plus 2 into cos theta and sec theta. So this sin square theta, cos square theta, I will write cos square theta plus sin square theta plus cosec square theta plus sec square theta. Next you know that plus 2 into sin theta and cosec theta are the reciprocals. If you multiply these two, you will get 1, and if you multiply these two also, you will get 1. 2 into 1, these two are the reciprocals. Then you will get sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus cosec square theta plus sec square theta plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 5. This cosec square theta I can write as what, Nana? Cosec square theta is equal to what? Anybody? Cosec square theta I can write it as 1 plus cos square theta 1 plus tan square theta. This is sec square theta. So this is 5 plus 1 plus 1 is 7 plus cot square theta plus tan square theta. So this is the value of RHS. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. So they like this you can. So here you want to use one property, that is a plus b whole square, and this is also a plus b whole square. If you open like that, you will get here sin square theta plus cos square theta is like this, and cosec square theta and sec square theta. Here 2 into sin theta, cosec theta is the sin and cosec are the reciprocals, and 2 into 1 is 2, and these two are also cos theta and sec theta also reciprocals. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So 1 plus cosec square theta plus sec square theta plus 2 plus 2. 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 5, and 1 plus cosec square theta I wrote it as 1 plus cot square theta, and sec square theta I wrote it as 1 plus tan square theta. 5 plus 1 is 7 cot square theta plus tan square theta. This is the RHS. So like this you want to prove this question. This is your NCERT question only. Now I will go for next question, that is 8th question. What is that 8th question is? Prove that sec theta minus tan theta by sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 plus 2 tan square theta minus 2 sec theta tan theta. This is also very important. I think you understood. Sec theta minus tan theta by sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta minus 2 sec theta tan theta I want to prove. So I will take LHS. LHS is sec theta minus tan theta and sec theta plus tan theta. Just I will multiply the both with sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta minus tan theta by, I am multiplying with sec theta minus tan theta with numerator and denominator. Theta minus tan theta. What we will get, Nana? This is nothing but sec theta minus tan theta whole square. By this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta. So this is sec square theta, sec theta minus tan theta whole square by 1. So because sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, that's why I wrote here 1. So you will get it is equals to sec square theta plus tan square theta minus 2 sec theta tan theta. Why? This is in the form of a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is equal to sec square theta, I can write it as 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta minus 2 sec theta tan theta. Next 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta is 2 tan square theta minus 2 sec theta tan theta. So this is our RHS. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Hence, so while doing such a type of questions, you want to multiply this is nothing but a RF rationalizing factor, but it is not a rationalization, but you want to think the denominator is given as sec theta plus tan theta. So I am multiplying the both numerator and denominator with sec theta minus tan theta. So if you multiply these two, you will get sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta minus tan theta whole square. And the denominators are in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta, means a square minus b square. So you know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Just you will get as sec theta minus tan theta whole square. If I open it in the form of a minus b whole square, that is sec square theta plus tan square theta minus 2 sec theta tan theta. Here, in place of sec square theta, I wrote as 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta, as it is I wrote. But 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta, 2 tan square theta minus 2 sec theta tan theta. This is our RHS. So this is the proof of your 8th question. Now I want to go with your 9th question. So 9th question is given that prove what I want to prove, Nana, sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. I think it is your NCERT exemplar problem or NCERT textbook exercise problem, but it is the question from your NCERT book only. So sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to this. I want to prove. So LHS is sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So you divide the numerator and the denominator with cos theta. You divide the numerator and denominator with cos theta, you will get that sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta you will get as tan theta minus cos theta by cos theta you will get as 1 plus 1 by cos theta. What I did, Nana, I am dividing the numerator and denominator by cos theta. The same way, if you divide this in the denominator also with cos theta, sin theta by cos theta you will get as tan theta plus cos theta by cos theta 1 minus 1 by cos theta. Then the step is tan theta. 1 by cos theta you can write it as sec theta by tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Next step, just I am writing this as tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Next, this is, I can write sec theta plus tan theta minus 1 is equal to, you know that sec square theta minus tan square theta. This one I wrote as sec square theta minus tan square theta, but I am not changing anything in the denominator, that is tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. So if you will observe this step carefully, you will get one thing. Here in these two terms, you will get sec theta plus tan theta is common. We make common. Sec theta plus tan theta is common, therefore 1 minus, this is whole square is there. So not it is whole square, this is right. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is in the form of a square minus b square. In that a plus b is common, you will get here sec theta minus tan theta. So this is the common thing, and the denominator is tan theta plus sec theta plus 1. So if you'll see this sec theta plus tan theta 1 minus into minus sec theta minus into minus plus tan theta by this is tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. If you observe these two terms, this term and this term, plus tan theta minus sec theta plus 1, these two are equal. That is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Therefore, sec theta plus tan theta, you multiply this sec theta plus tan theta by 1, you can write. You multiply both numerator and denominator with sec theta and minus tan theta by sec theta and minus tan theta. What you will get, Nana? You will get as sec square theta minus tan square theta. Why? This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. By 1 into this is sec theta minus tan theta. We know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. So this is our RHS. LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. So once again I want to explain this question because it is very important. So the given question is, prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. So this is the LHS. Just I did the entire LHS I divided with cos theta. So if sin theta by cos theta, you will get tan theta, minus cos theta by cos theta, you will get 1 by cos theta. The numerator also divided by cos theta. Sin by cos, again tan, cos by cos is 1 by this one. So just tan theta minus 1 by cos, I wrote it as sec. Tan theta plus 1 by cos is I wrote it as sec. Here this I changed this just order, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1, tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Here this is very important question, that is, one is this one I wrote it as the sec square theta minus tan square theta. So afterwards, if you make sec theta plus tan theta is common, you will get 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta. If you open this with minus, you will get as 1 minus sec theta minus into minus plus tan theta. So these two terms are cancelled, it is cancelled. You got as a sec theta plus tan theta by 1. You multiply the both numerator and denominator with sec theta minus tan theta. Then what you will get, Nana? Sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta. This is in the form of a square minus b square. So that only I wrote here, sec square theta minus tan square theta by sec theta minus tan theta. This value is equals to 1 and sec theta minus tan theta. This is the RHS. So it is 4 marks question. It is very, very important. You copy this question. So next question, I think it is 10th one. So prove that under root of sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to tan theta plus cot theta. So this is the question. It is also very important, but it is a logic behind this. You take the LHS. LHS is under root of sec square theta plus cosec square theta. So under root of sec square theta, I can write it as 1 plus tan square theta plus cosec square theta, I can write it as 1 plus cot square theta. So you open the brackets, you will get tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 1 plus 1, you will get 2. So this is, I can write as tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 into tan theta cot theta. Why I wrote here 2 into tan theta? Tan theta and cot theta is 1. Again you will get to 2 only. Now if you observe, this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is equal to under root of a plus b whole square, that is equal to tan theta plus cot theta whole square under root. So square and root will cancel, you will get tan theta plus cot theta. This is RHS. So like this we can solve this question. So this is also important, and we solve this question by using one identity, that is sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta and cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta. then next step, I wrote 2 as 2 into tan theta cot theta, that because tan theta cot theta is 1. So now it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a plus b whole square. The square and root will be cancelled. You will get tan theta cot theta, that is the RHS.